I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru Impreza cabin air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. Open it completely and remove any items inside to give yourself plenty of room to work. Next, you'll need to release the glove box from its hinges. To do this, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to clear the stops, allowing it to swing down further. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see the cabin air filter housing. This is typically a rectangular plastic cover. Depending on your model, you might need to unclip it or remove a few small screws to open it. With the cover off, carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the direction of the airflow arrow printed on the filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Now it's time to install your new cabin air filter. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the old one did. This is usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Carefully slide the fresh filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the filter housing cover, ensuring all clips are securely fastened or screws are tightened. You should hear a satisfying click if it's a clip-on cover. Finally, reassemble your glove box. Align the bottom hinges and gently push the glove box back into place until it snaps securely. Close the glove box and give it a quick test to ensure it latches correctly. You've successfully replaced your Subaru Impreza cabin air filter. For a fresh scent in your car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.